Hi there everybody, you're traveling with me, Jack, and of course as always with my heavenly wife, Pam. Welcome to beautiful Florence, Alabama. In particular, we're on the campus of the University of North Alabama. And this is absolutely not just a beautiful city located along the Tennessee River in North Alabama, but they have this absolutely gorgeous campus. So what do you say we take a little look around and show you what the University of North Alabama looks like? Well, right in the heart of the campus, you can see they've got this beautiful open-air amphitheater. It's called the Memorial Amphitheater. It's just one of really several little beautiful sites here on campus that we'll be taking a look at. One thing that is especially beautiful about this campus is all these really big, beautiful trees that provide some much welcome shade, especially in these hot, humid summer months. But of course, in the fall, I'm sure they are glory-filled with beautiful colors once the fall season does arrive. And again, you can see it is just an absolutely gorgeous campus. We'll walk around the corner over here and give you a look at something I think you'll find very interesting. Again, this is another one of the beautiful walking areas. This is in between several of the campus buildings where the various schools of business, science, and things like that are located. If you look way off down there in the distance, there's a big fountain that's having some reconstruction done on it. And it's kind of one of the many centerpieces you might find here on campus. Okay, that sign right there says the Legacy Initiative, Rebuilding the Heart of UNA. And you can see, I guess this is what they consider the heart of UNA. This absolutely gorgeous fountain. And there you can see, there's the College of Business and Technology there. Oh boy, when they get that thing all done and turn the water on, that's going to be pretty darn cool. Now here's something you don't see every day on a college campus, a lion habitat. That's right, the school's nickname is the University of North Alabama Lions, and in here, a lion habitat. And it says Leo the lion lives here now. Earlier, well, one of the other lions passed away in 2020. Now, if we look around here, I'm not seeing the lion though, but it's really a nice observation area. It's a pretty hot day, and my understanding is the lion is probably there in the back in those man-made caves. But how cool is this to have a lion habitat on your college campus? Here's another one of the main walkways across campus. And you can see too, they've got these lights that are strung across that I'm sure are lit up, and it's absolutely beautiful at night as well. More fountains that you can see. It's just a very soothing and relaxing campus, as you can no doubt see from here. Now it is summertime, so very limited student activity, but really one of the prettier campuses I've seen anywhere in the country. There you can see a walking bridge that goes over the pathway that we were on just a few minutes ago. And that walking bridge leads up there to what is the student union. And you can see they've got some nice outdoor areas where the students could, of course, eat and study as well. I thought this was an especially beautiful viewpoint here. And look at the stunning colors on that magnolia tree. And then there's the back of that amphitheater that we looked at earlier. And then again, there's that walking bridge back over to the student union. Around the corner here, this caught my eye. No, not the map of the campus, but this building. Look at this old stone structure here. It says this is the School of Arts. Seems appropriate. Very, very beautiful. Okay, and here's another section of the campus. You can see here a more modern building, but I love those older historic buildings. But this one is the Laura M. Harrison Hall. It says it's the Anderson College of Nursing and Health Professionals. Okay, so now we've made our way to the other side of the campus, getting into some of the athletic facilities. Looks to be a nice basketball arena here called the CB&S Bank Arena. And a little bit more of the athletic facilities. This is one of the football practice fields. And here in a minute, we'll make our way over to the football stadium. So now we're here at the baseball stadium, home of the North Alabama Lions baseball team, of course. We'll walk inside, give you a look at this facility. Like everything else on this campus, it looks really, really nice. Look at that green grass out there. Here we go. We'll step up. Grandstands, press box, more stands up there. You get the idea. Looks like a great place to enjoy a ball game. One thing that's a little bit unusual, the football stadium is actually about a mile from the actual campus. It's a shared stadium, but it's actually really nice, and you know they're getting ready to become a Division I football program. It's fairly sizable, as you can see, and unfortunately it's all fenced up. But again, this is just a little glimpse of the football stadium. Again, it's located off the campus. Also, another key point to the University of North Alabama campus is the fact you just walk a couple of blocks down Court Street as it is, and you're going to be in this lovely downtown that's filled with restaurants, shops, and several other things you might find very, very enjoyable. And again, it's just a stone's throw away from the main campus. And that concludes our campus tour of the University of North Alabama, located in lovely Florence, Alabama. From what I can see here, if you're looking for a place to get a college education, maybe check this one out. I understand it's a top-notch education at a very affordable price. Hey, in the meantime, keep subscribing, check out the podcast, Love Letters to Pam, and until we see you that next time, make it a great day, better yet, a better tomorrow. And again, bye from beautiful Florence, Alabama.